Heaton Products are one of the largest suppliers of Acrow Props in the UK and Ireland. We sell low and high volumes and always keep hundreds in stock for quick dispatch. We keep the full range in stock from size 0 up to size 4. Our Acrow Props are manufactured to the British standard and produced using a single-piece, heavier-duty outer tube rather than the typical two-piece, lighter-gauge tube. Heaton Products prop mates are used in conjunction with Acrow Props and are manufactured with or without handles. They can be used to support structures whilst fitting or removing lintels, RSJs and beams. Our prop mates have been independently tested and have a safe working load of up to 340 kilograms. Once driven home at the recommended distances, the lintel can be removed safely, while the prop mates take the weight of the structure above. U-heads are used with Acrow Props to support timber beams securely. We manufacture 3 sizes in fixed or adjustable versions. Our standard sizes are 4 inches, 6 inches and 8 inches. Our adjustable U-heads offer 500 millimeters of adjustment.